Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites so the process is smooth. Check that the server, a quality Ethernet cable, stable power, and a monitor/keyboard are present. Once done, note the network plan, IP ranges, gateway, and DNS so you won't guess later. Power on and enter BIOS or UEFI to set the boot order and enable virtualization if needed. This ensures the OS installer and services will load correctly. Make sure physical ports and LEDs show link activity before proceeding. Now connect the server to the switch port assigned to your network or management VLAN and confirm link lights. Begin OS installation from USB or PXE. Choose a static IP or request a DHCP reservation so the server keeps a predictable address. During setup, set a clear host name, correct time zone, and create an administrative user. Enable SSH and install OpenSSH or the platform equivalent now so you can move to remote administration once the initial boot completes. Finish by installing and enabling required server services, then validate them locally and via an external client to confirm functionality. Once services run, adjust firewall rules and NAT or port forwarding on your router so intended external access works. Test with secure protocols only. If something fails, first recheck physical cabling and switch port configuration, then confirm there are no IP conflicts, and scan logs for errors. If necessary, reboot after fixes, and repeat the test sequence until...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.